Let's get nuts!
You can lower those. No, not that much. Okay. Now it's time to move. We're getting very close now.
We're getting so close that you're kind of getting too close. Everyone just do this. Ready? We don't want to crush anybody. On the count of 3, everybody take 3 steps back. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Little elbow room. Shut up.
What? Oh.
Okay.
Hey, Al.
You're getting real close.
Hey, Al. Al. The second woo. Not the first woo, but the second one.
It's now 7 a.m. We're holding steady at 14 degrees. Where's Alyssa Bainbridge, Miss Pennsylvania?
She's talking to Joe.
Thank you, Alyssa Bainbridge, Miss Pennsylvania. Thank you to everybody who joined us on the show today. Show us the hog. All right, you know what?
Show your hog. We got one more for you then.
I tell you what, yeah, they're getting antsy. Mikey, hit the tunes. They don't want to hear me talk anymore.
The second woo. Hey, Jamie, I'm feeling a little cold here. You got any fire over there?
Come on over and let yourself in.
This is our last one. Blow it out.
Won't remember this.
We have any more fire?
Call out the groundhog, let's do it again. No matter what day it is, no matter what day it is. No matter what day it is, no matter what day it is. No matter what day it is, no matter what day it is. No matter what day it is, no matter what day it is. Put on your Sunday finest and party like a Saturday night. Put on your Sunday to see what you wear. Call your girls up and get them here. Dancing bodies are getting drenched. Even the groundhog gonna do it again. No matter what day it is, no matter what day it is. No matter what day it is, no matter what day it
Ready?
is. No matter what day it is, no matter what day it is. No matter what day it is.
Ready?
On your Sunday Friday, and party like a Saturday night. On your Sunday Friday, and party like a Saturday night. On your Sunday Friday, and party like a Saturday night. On your Sunday Friday, and party like a Saturday night. Monday gon' turn it up. Tuesday gon' bring the fun. Wednesday gon' run the town. Thursday no slowing down. Friday gon' hit the club.
Saturday don't.
Give up. Sunday we going in. Come Monday we gon' do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Come Monday we gon' do it again. On your Sunday Friday, and party like a Saturday night. On your Sunday Friday, and party like a Saturday night. On your Sunday Friday, and party like a Saturday night. On your Sunday Friday, and party like a Saturday night.
Al Dunce, thank you very much.
Thanks,
That's a
Al.
Little special tip from my Al Dunce.
Let's do one more.
You got it?
Let's do one more.
I'll dance.
We can't help it. But you know when you hear this one, we're like 3 minutes from film. Just indulge us. That's all we have.
Make me wanna kick my heels up and throw my hands up and throw my head back and come on now. Don't forget to say you will. Don't forget to say yeah.
Say hello.
Say hi.
Say hello to my little friend.
Now, baby, come on, say you will. Say that you will. Say that you love me. Say that you need me. Say that you want me. You wanna please me. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. I still remember when you used to be 9 years old. I was a fool for you from the bottom of my soul. Yeah, yeah. Now that you're grown up and old enough to know. Yeah, yeah. You wanna leave me. You wanna let me go. I want you to know. I said I want you to know right now. You've been good to me, baby. Better than I've been to myself. Hey, hey. And if you ever leave me, I don't want.
Nobody, yeah. No. Hey.
I said I want you to know. I said I want you to know right now. You know you make me wanna. Yeah, 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 right. Oh, right, oh, right. Come on now, come on now. Yeah, 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 yeah. Come on now, yeah, yeah, yeah. Come on now, yeah, yeah, yeah. All right, yeah, yeah, yeah. Now wait a minute.
We've been missing something here. Doesn't feel quite right. I think we need a Miss Pennsylvania. We need a Lissa Bainbridge. Miss Pennsylvania. Now that I got my woman,
I've got no woman.
I feel.
I feel.
Hey. Oh, right.
Yeah, 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 yeah. You've been so good to me. You've been so good to me. You know you make me wanna lift my head up and throw my head back and come on now, come on now, come on now, come on now, take it easy,
Take it easy.
take it easy, take it
the Fillet feature dancers to part ways, please. We're about to send in some very important people. We need a walkway. Please separate right here. Create a walkway. You're doing great. You're doing great.
Hey, Dan,
Send them in.
we got someone special to thank.
Come here, Marcy. Send them in.
Yep.
If you did anything this Groundhog Day season, it was because of one woman, Marcy Galando, our executive director. Thank you.
Come on, Gobblers Knob!
Thank you, Marcy.
Okay, Old Man Winter, send in the top hats.
Please send in the top hats. Make a walkway.
Trek.
Trek tunes.
Trek. Phil, 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 Phil.
Phil, Trek song. Oh.
Ladies and gentlemen, won't you please give a rousing welcome to the inner circle of the Punxatawney Groundhog Club as they make their annual trek to Gobblers Knob.
Good morning. My name's Thomas Dunkel. I am president of the Punxatawney Groundhog Club. Welcome to Punxatawney. Welcome to Groundhog Day. How many guests do we have here celebrating Groundhog Day for the first time? Woohoo! Nice. How many guests 2 or more times? Welcome back. Now this next one's going to surprise you. How many groups are here celebrating somebody's Groundhog Day birthday? Amazing. Happy birthday. Mr. Vice President.
Yes, sir.
will you please introduce the members of the Inner Circle?
My pleasure. The men standing before you are tasked with hosting this great holiday year after year, and we want to acknowledge them. There are current and past members here. I'll start with our former presidents, former members, including past president, Mr. Bill Dealey, Digger Odell. Mr. Tom Uberti, Big Windmaker. Butch Prushnok, Cold Front. And our current board, Butch Philibert Iceman. He's been entertaining you all morning. Give it up for the Thunder conductor, Dave Gelati. Rob McCoy, Downpour. Jory Sirian is Daybreaker. Dr. John Johnson, Chief Healthman. Also joining us this morning was Jason Grusky, Big Chill. Say hello to Pat Ostakowicz, Ozone. Pat Cassidy, Head Huntsman. Jeffrey Lundy, Fairweather Man. Two new members, Josh Farkas, Frostbite. And Robbie Gimmel, Storm Builder. I also want to acknowledge a member who has been with the club many years. He has worked tirelessly behind the scenes. He has done so much to improve this holiday, this group, this club, these grounds. Much of it behind the scenes, and we want to give him some acknowledgement. In large part because he has announced that this is his final Groundhog Day as an Inner Circle member. So I want you to say hello, thank you, and goodbye to Mr. Jeff Grube, Sky Painter. A standing ovation. In large part because we don't have seats, but let the record show. I assume someone's keeping record. Is somebody taking notes? Yeah, you, sir? Thank you. Okay. And, of course, I want to acknowledge our governor, Mr. Josh Shapiro. And tasked with our ceremony, Mr. A.J. DeRoom, Rainmaker, his handler. I did it. And the president, Mr. Tom Dunkel, Shingle Shaker. Mr. President.
Are you ready? Now we have a perfect groundhog call. He's going to say groundhog, and you are going to reply groundhog. Are you ready? But better than that, I hope.
I hope so.
Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Groundhog! Groundhog! Let's do that one more time. Groundhog! Woohoo! Awesome!
That was great. This cane has been handed down from president to president. It gives me the ability to speak groundhogese. That's how I communicate with Phil, through chirps, winks, nods. I'll be able to understand Phil so I can pick the appropriate scroll. And this cane also has some very special meaning to me. My father, Bud Dunkel, carried this very cane through the 1980s and 1990s. So that is pretty cool. Now I'm going to tell you a little bit about what we're about to do here. I'm going to take this cane and I'm going to knock 3 times on the door. His handler, AJ, will pull Phil from his burrow and hold him high for all to see. He will place Phil upon the stump, where Phil and I will have a little talk. And I will pick the appropriate scroll, and it'll be read by the Vice President. If it is shadow I see, it'll be 6 more weeks of winter there will be. No shadow, an early spring. Wow, biased crowd. Gentlemen, are you ready? Daybreaker, please place the royal red carpet. Mr. Vice President, will you place the scrolls? Gentlemen, gather round. Now, it's a tradition that we will shout, Phil, 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 Phil. There he is. There he is. Punxatawney Phil, ladies and gentlemen.
What's he saying, Tom? Talking to you?
Mr. President, we have a scroll.
We have a scroll.
Hear ye, hear ye. Now on this February 2nd, Punxatawney Phil, the seer of seers, was awakened from his wintry nap at dawn on Gobbler's Knob. Phil looked to the skies and then, speaking in Groundhogese, directed this President Dunkel to the proper scroll, which reads, I see the morning has brought the finest people, I see their bravery and spirit. The time has come, I can feel it. The excitement, I can hear it. I see the folks with gray in their hair, and I see the kids all young and scrawny. Their eyes and cheeks aglow from the cold, clean air of sweet Punxatawney. I see that everyone knows their part, and I am merely the sage. But above all else, I see a shadow on my stage. And so, no matter how you measure, it's 6 more weeks of winter weather. Does it look great to you, Phil?
Well, thank you very much. That concludes our ceremony. If you would like, you can come up on the left side of the stage and come across and get your picture taken with Punxie Phil. We'll do that for as long as we can. I also want to say, enjoy downtown Punxatawney. There's a lot of activities in the park, a lot of places to eat breakfast, a lot of places to buy souvenirs. So enjoy downtown Punxatawney. Thank you and happy Groundhog Day.
When Chekhov saw the long winter, he saw a winter bleak and dark, bereft of hope. Yet we know that winter is just another step in the cycle of life. But standing here among the people of Punxatawney and basking in the warmth of their hearths and hearts, I couldn't imagine a better fate than a long and lustrous winter.